वेलकम व्यूवर। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। कंप्यूटर के लिए जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता है उसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। उससे पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दें। पहले है इंट्रोडक्शन। एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एंड मेजर प्रोग्राम दैट रन ऑन ए सिस्टम कंप्यूटर। एवरी computer system must have an operating system in order to run a different program. The operating system is a collection of software which manage various computer hardware resources. In additionally provide common service to different computer operation programs. An operating system perform several tasks such as recognize input from a keyboard, send out to a display screen monitor, keep track of files as well as uh, direction directories on a disk, control various peripheral device like hard drive, printer, video or sound card, etc. A figure name is a operating system in its interface shows the above basic concept is a clear way. An operating system generally acts as an intersection between computer user and computer hardware. The most observable feature of a operating system is its interface. The operating system basically provides an environment where user can execute different programs. As soon as a user turn on a boot, a computer, the operating system is loaded into memory automatically. The term booting basically refers to the complete process of loading any operating system into a computer memory. This process is usually done through a program commonly known as boot strap loader, which is permanently stored in a computer's electronic circuitry, generally on ROM chip. Types of operating system. The operating system are generally categorized into major types depending on the basic of numerous features such as graphical user interface, GUI operating system and command line operating system. The description of these both types of operating system is given below. Graphical user interface GUI operating system. A GUI operating system is basically provide a graphical user interface to its user in order to communicates with system computer. In this interface, the icons, menus are graphical object and being used for issue commands. The user of GUI operating system do not need memorize different commands while inter- interacting with the computer. For the example of GUI operating system in cloud. The Windows and cloud operating system are very popular among all other, which will be described in this unit in detail. The best feature of the graphical user interface may in cloud. Easy to learn as it is described above that the user of GUI I do not need to memorize different commands while interacting with the computer. Simple to use, more user फ्रेंडली एज कम्पेयर टू कमांड लिनियर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। आज तक इतना ही, नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं।